We're gonna have a little sleepover slumber party. I'm just forced to have ramen right now. Let's get to cooking. I'm sorry, I'm American. Okay, we're okay. Oh my god. Maybe we could do a little giveaway. The night is young. Whatever, we're just gonna have to deal with it. I hate brushing my teeth. Hi, my lovelies. Today is gonna be a little... There's a dog barking outside. He always barks at night. I don't know why. Basically after 7 p.m. he's barking all the way until like 10 p.m. But anyway, hopefully it's not too distracting. So I'm gonna film a very impromptu meeting because... Wait, impromptu meeting? This is a very impromptu video because my parents are gone for the weekend and I'm home alone. And I'm gonna be so lonely. So I'm just gonna take you guys along my night alone. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna have a little sleepover slumber party because right now it is 8:15 and I am lonely and bored. But first things first, I'm really hungry. So let's go eat something. I don't even know what I want to eat because I ate all the food that's in the refrigerator, so there are literally no leftovers. There's nothing in the fridge. Ramen? Rice, eggs, and spam? Oh, my mom's gonna get so mad at me. Like, literally every time I'm home alone and I have to eat dinner by myself, I always eat like ramen or like eggs and rice. And she's like,
really? You couldn't just like make something up? Like, you couldn't just cook? You couldn't just like cook a whole meal for yourself? Like a healthy, balanced meal? I'm like,
no. Because it's just myself and I'm lazy. But yeah, let's go eat because I'm hungry. Okay, let's see what we're gonna eat today. Because let me tell you, let me show you what's in the fridge, okay? Nothing. I ate all the leftovers. It's all just like ingredients. Like, there's eggs, I guess, but like I can't eat anything in here. Like, there's nothing of substance. So I guess we're just gonna have to make ramen. Oh my god, no way. Like, ugh. You know, I really didn't want ramen. I'm just forced to have ramen right now. So also, I haven't even had ramen in like, I don't even know how long ago, but I haven't had ramen in months. I think today is a good day to treat myself to some ramen. Okay, listen, we're gonna try to make this ramen a little more healthy and balanced. So obviously we need the ramen. This is Jin ramen. It's really good. I think this is like my favorite ramen. We're gonna add 2 eggs for protein. Then we're gonna add a little bit of seaweed. This doesn't really count as a vegetable because it's literally deep fried like seaweed, I'm pretty sure. But we'll have some fresh tomatoes on the side and it'll be good. So let me just wash these, you know, prep everything. I gotta like boil the water too. Let's get to cooking. Okay, I don't know if you guys relate to this, but I like eating my ramen in a pan just because I like how flat it is and it's just easier to eat. So we're gonna boil some water in this pan. Okay, so the instructions, 550 milliliters of water. I kind of just want to guess, but let's follow instructions. I'm sorry, I'm American. I don't know what milliliters are. 550 milliliters to cups. Okay, 2.3 cups. Okay, so almost like, it's like a little over 2 cups. Okay, I've got 2 cups here. I feel like it's not gonna fit, but let's just try. Okay. Okay, we're okay. So that was 2 cups. Now we need to do like 0.3, which is half of 1 cup, or like less than half of 1 cup. So, we'll just do 2.5, whatever. All right, it looks okay so far. Let's put this on the stove and boil it. Why is it not going? Oh, okay. The stove is so dirty, I know. It's gonna boil soon, but I should probably turn the fan on. Anyway, because I'm so hungry, I'm just gonna snack on the tomatoes for a bit. I love tomatoes. So good. I'm watching TikToks.
There, no stream. Wait.
Bruh. Oh my god, I think it's boiling. Oh my god. Okay, wait, it looks so cool though. All right, so basically, I'm so stressed. Okay, I gotta put this vegetable packet in. I'm stressed. Guys, okay. But I do want to show you guys what's the vibe, like what's happening. We're gonna put the vegetable packet in. Okay. Okay. I think that's okay. Let me put this powder soup in. Oh. Y'all. I wish that I could like set this up in a better way because the way I'm filming this, it's so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, what? Anyway, vibes. I think I need to add the noodles now. Putting the noodles in. And then we can't waste like the crusties inside. Put that in as well. Yay, it looks so good. Yay. Flip it over, maybe? I am a chef. Okay, I have to add the eggs. First eggs going in. Woo! Can't waste the ends. Second egg is going in. Okay. Okay, let me cover it so it cooks. Okay, I'm gonna bring this over. Oh wait, actually, let me take off the top. Take off the top. Perfect. Look at that. That looks so good, guys. Oh my god. What the heck? I am so happy. Oh my god. Guys, this looks so good. Like the eggs are basically like, Let me put some seaweed in here. It smells a little old. Okay. Now I let it like soften up a bit before I dig in. Let me get my show all up and running. Guys, I feel like we're FaceTiming right now. It's kind of fun. I don't feel so lonely right now because I'm like talking to you guys. Got my Suits up. Guys, I love Suits. It's such a good show. Like, it's not a heavy show. It's more of like a light, humorous show. So it's like good when you just want to watch something that's not like scary. I don't know. I get really scared with like gory stuff and like murder and stuff like that. But Suits, it's like more lighthearted. So perfect for me at least. Seaweed looks done. So what I do, I just like push in like this. Yay. Oh my god. Eating ramen with glasses is a really big struggle. Okay, I think it's still too hot. It's like fogging up my glasses. I miss this, guys. I haven't had this in so long. This is definitely like comfort meal to the max. Noodle soup, egg, seaweed. It's perfect. And I have my tomatoes on the side for balance. This is
come on, just because
the
I have to wake
vibe.
up early doesn't mean you should suffer.
You know what they say.
Okay, I just finished eating and I put away all my dishes because I'm such a good daughter. So let's go inside and finish up this episode because it's getting kind of really good. And I don't want to be sitting out here like in a chair. I want to be in my bed. This is just more comfortable. Let's go. Okay, I'm back in my room. It's so hot here, guys. Like, it's like 80 degrees inside my house. So I had a very long day of filming, and so my room is a mess. Like, every time I have a filming day, I literally, like, all of this stuff just gets everywhere. My desk is like crazy, but like I've been trying to get myself to like clean up after myself every single day because I typically don't clean up and then I just leave it all until it gets unbearable and then I have to do like a deep clean. But if I just clean it properly, like after I finish, then I won't have to do a deep clean, right? I don't want to clean. Okay, I'm gonna do it super fast because then if I do it as fast as possible, it literally will take less effort, if that makes sense. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with this desk. It's actually not that bad. Before it was so crazy because all my makeup was everywhere and like this whole thing was a mess. So let's clean this up. Is this even even? All right, ready? Go. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. She's clean. Okay, the next order of business, the bed. It's not too bad. Let's put away the clothes. Let's fold them up. Let's put them away. Like, why are there shoes? Why are there shoes in the middle of my, like, what is going on? Pro tip, when your shoes come with like the inserts, make sure to keep them because it helps keep the shape of your shoes. Aww. See, even Beanie likes it when I clean my bed. Look at him. Hi. You like it when I clean the bed? Okay, so this side of my room is clean now. The desk is all good and clean. It looks good, okay? I like it. This is nice. Like, it's peaceful. You like it too, Beanie? Anyway, I still have to figure out what's going on here because I kind of messed it up when I was trying to look for stuff. So let's quickly clean this up. Also, like, I have so many PR boxes and like I have like 3 of these boxes of stuff that I don't use, and like I wanted to do like a little giveaway for you guys because first of all, I can't finish all this stuff, and second of all, I want you guys to try some of this stuff and I want to give back to you guys because you guys support me so much. I want to support you, so maybe we could do a little giveaway. I don't know. Let me know if you guys are interested because we can definitely do one because I have so much stuff that I cannot even finish. I have so much skincare, makeup, nails, like all that stuff. So let me know. Oh my God. I cleaned it. I cleaned the floor and it's like, okay. Wow. Clean bed, clean floors, clean cat, clean desk. I just feel so good. Like, I can finally relax. People who clean up after themselves, like, you guys really know what's up because this feels great. And like, I normally don't have the motivation to do this, but since you're here, it gives me a little bit more motivation to like do something and like just be more productive. So this is great. Okay. What should we do next? Literally, the night is young, guys. It's only 9:47. I kind of want to do my nails because I took them off. And I want to do like short nails this time because I had long ones and like it's kind of annoying because every time I tried to like grab something, I would just like literally couldn't. So I was thinking of doing like a short press-on nail. I think I do want to do it. Why not? I mean, what else are we gonna do? Okay, don't mind the fan. She's like popping off right now because it's so hot. But I found this Glamnetics nails that I have. Glamnetics sends me a lot of PR, so that's why I always use them. Also, I really like them because they're super thick and the glue stays on like really well. And I'm very rough with my nails, so I would know because I'm so clumsy. I like am. Beanie! I'll look at him. Being a mischief right there. Beanie! Come down right now! What are you doing? Down! Bruh. Okay. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, Glamnetics. I love Glamnetic nails. I used to use the Kiss nail, but I always found that those snapped on me. I would wear it and then I would hit my hand against something and it would literally, like the glue was fine. The glue stayed really well. It's just like the nail itself would just break in half. And like, that's just a no bueno because I hit my hands against so much stuff. That's why I really like Glamnetic. I've never had one of their nails snap on me like ever because they're such good quality. The one thing I would say though, some of the Glamnetic styles, like you can like see through them if that makes sense. Like the nudie like pink ones, they're kind of like thin. So you can see like your nail underneath if that makes sense. This one is kind of thin too. So hopefully it holds okay. Like, I really hope so. Okay, first I'm gonna file my nails a little bit just to like shape them up. I'm getting kind of tired. Low-key, I've been sleeping at like 9 and then waking up at like 5:30 and 6 because of work. Sometimes I like to sleep at 11 because like I'll just be like scrolling on TikTok and I don't realize how long I've been scrolling until like I realize it's too late and it's like already midnight. I've been trying to like reduce my screen time just because I feel like whenever I'm scrolling, I feel so yucky. I don't know if you guys relate to this, but it's like the feeling of like there's just too much going on. I'll be like scrolling and it's just like sound after sound and it's like colors and like people are yelling and it's like songs playing and like I just get so overstimulated and then I freak out and then I just keep scrolling. I don't know why. And then I just have to like force myself to stop because it gets too much. I'm trying to stop using my phone so much because it's really bad for my mental health. Okay, I shaped and filed my nails. Now I'm gonna size the nails with my fingers. Okay, I sized them all and now all I'm gonna do is file some of the edges so they fit properly and then I'll glue them on. Okay, I've sized them all Now I just need to glue them on. Okay. Guys, I don't know why I just got hit with like major tiredness. Like I'm so tired. I don't know if it's because like I was filming all day and like working and stuff, but I'm so tired and like my nose is running. I hope I don't get sick. Let me just finish these nails. Okay, I finished one hand. I think it looks really cute. It's shorter than usual. I kind of like it. It's a little more classier and I'm like able to type and do like normal things, you know? Okay, I'm gonna do the other hand and I'll do it off camera just cause like I'm so tired. I just need to get this over with. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Okay, I finished the nails. I think they're super cute, but like low-key, when I'm looking at them, it's giving like, I don't know, like this part of the nail, like right here, this top part here, it looks like I have some kind of disease because of the purple. It looks like my fingers are turning purple because like it's like frostbitten or something. I don't know. From afar, I really like the shape. It's just like the purple's a little off-putting, but whatever. We're just gonna have to deal with it. So I think it's time for me to sleep because I don't know, I feel so tired right now and like it's just time to sleep. It's been a long day and my brain has been just like on the whole day. So it's time to sleep. Okay, we're in the bathroom. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I use this toothbrush from Suri. It's an electric toothbrush. It's supposed to be like a sustainable toothbrush, which is really cool. This is the toothpaste I use, Crest 3D White Brilliance. Yeah. I hate brushing my teeth, y'all. Literally the worst thing. Like I hate brushing my teeth. Okay, I finished brushing my teeth. And then before I sleep, I like to spray these two sprays on my face. This is a GM Colin Hydromucin. It's supposed to be like a toner, I think. But I do this one first, and then I do Peach and Lily Gloss Skin Veil Mist. Feels really good. It keeps my face super moisturized. I just really like to keep my skin hydrated at like all times. Let me let this soak in before I put my glasses on. He's always like sitting. This is my spot. What are you doing? Can I go to sleep? Oh, sorry. Aw, Beanie. He's gonna go sleep in his bed. Back in bed. I'm so tired right now. I don't think you guys understand. I had like a lot of stuff today. Like I woke up, went to the gym with Johnny, and then we went thrifting at Goodwill. And then after that, we went to go grab coffee, which was really good by the way. And then after that, I came home and I filmed the transforming myself into an ABG video. That took a long time and a lot of effort. And then after that, I sat around for like an hour and then, you know, here we are. And then we hung out together. Yeah, Beanie's also here too. Can you, excuse me, excuse me. Oh, now he's settling in, huh? I hope y'all enjoyed this random video. I had a lot of fun filming this. My parents are busy. No one is available to hang out. I'm just home alone. And honestly, filming this made me feel like we're literally hanging out. Like I'm literally hanging out with y'all. You know, if I did not film, I don't think I would have cleaned up at all. And I don't think I would have done my nails. I think I would have just sat in this bed where I was in the beginning for like 5 hours and not eaten dinner or anything at all. And just like fell asleep. This was fun. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go sleep now because I'm so tired. And I'll catch you in the next video. Okay. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Okay. Bye.